Look
Topic.
at today's topic.
Uh, I didn't go through topic, so you'll
The
have to tell
topic.
the topic.
The topic today is something which I am also coming across the first time. It is how, not how, but using idioms in your conversation.
Idioms. Okay, I don't use it much, but I can tell few.
I can say a few,
I
or I
can
can tell a few.
tell a few. Okay.
Okay, tell me. Tell me a few idioms.
As easy as ABC.
Yeah, I'm hearing it for the first time.
Then it's not my cup of tea.
Hmm.
Then brush under the carpet.
Okay, yeah. Mhm.
I think you're not aware of it. Brush under the carpet.
I think it's more like to hide something, right?
Yes, not talking publicly, but
Hmm.
behind.
Yeah.
I know few, but right now it's difficult for me to remember.
There is one. Um, that is how the cookie crumbles.
Could you repeat, please?
How the cookie crumbles.
Okay.
So,
Over
so
the moon.
how it's done
One more. Over the moon. On
over the
cloud
moon
nine.
on cloud nine.
Cold feet. Cold
Cold
shoulder.
feet, cold shoulder, yes. Water under the bridge.
You'll have to repeat.
Water under the bridge.
Yeah, water under the bridge. Okay. Grapes are sour.
Grapes are sour.
Sour. Okay.
Then the one which we have over here is fit as a fiddle.
Yes.
Under the weather. Under the weather means you're
Yeah.
unwell. Fit as a fiddle means you're fit.
Not too much problem, but just little bit, a bit or a little problem.
Uh,
I
for
won't
which
say.
one? For which one? Which idiom?
Not for idiom. If someone is sick, not serious problem, but
Ha ha ha.
little problem is there,
Yeah.
like cold,
Slightly
cough.
unwell.
Yeah.
Cold cough, correct.
Yes.
Fever. That's under the weather. Then.
No stone unturned.
Hmm. Good one, I actually. Most,
Then,
the straw that broke the camel's back.
okay, I heard. I've heard it for first time.
I've heard it for the first time, or I'm hearing it for the first time. So, how to explain to you? It is something that, for example, um, let's say you and I are friends, and every day I tease you, I make fun of you on a large scale. Every day I make fun of you, tease you a lot. I call you names, I call you bad things. And at least for 20, 30 minutes every day I do this. Okay. Today I must have told you only like one or two things. But because it has been so many um, weeks, months of me constantly making fun of you, teasing you, that today even at 5 minutes now, it has snapped, has resulted in something which has snapped in you. And now you have lashed back at it. You have retaliated. So every day I tease you for 20, 25 minutes. Today I only did it for like 2 minutes. So that is the concept. The straw that broke the camel's back. The camel has received, like, there's a lot of load on the camel's back.
Yes.
But adding one straw has broken.
Yes. Like in Hindi, like पंछी के बैठने पे ही डाल टूटना means already it was about to break, but if something little bit we add and it broke.
Yes, you're
Like,
absolutely right. I think yes. Then the final nail in the coffin.
okay.
You know, have you heard about this?
Yes.
Then what else?
Your
I'm
light
not
is
thinking.
not very good today. I think your front light is off or what?
I don't have a friend. I don't have a friend.
But every day it's not that dull or dark. Today
Okay, I
your
don't
face
know.
is completely black, I think.
Sorry today. Is it better?
No?
No? Okay. Is this better? No. I don't know. There's no change in the lighting of the room.
Maybe your desktop flash is not on your face today.
Desktop flash. I don't have desktop.
Means when we on the screen, that light comes on face.
Okay. Okay.
Now little bit better. Now it's better.
Okay. The topic was open. The topic must have resulted in that.
Green of other side is always
The grass
grass
is
of
greener
the
on the other side.
sit on the fence, means unable
I
to
think
take a decision, confusion.
yes. I'm on the fence. Yes. 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 Correct. Correct.
Uh,
I used this idiom 2 days ago
okay,
on the fence. Or today. I think I used it today only. I used it today.
okay,
I used it today. I definitely used it today. On the fence. Take a shot. Take a shot.
okay,
Take a shot means to take a chance.
okay. Then hit the sack. Is it easier? No, it's a slang, I think.
Hit the sack. Hit
Hit,
the sack. Ha.
hit the sack,
Hit the
hit the
sack is
book,
idiom. Going to sleep. Yeah. Idiom. Idiom.
hit the book.
I think can be. Hit the book. No, hit the books is not an idiom. You're actually reading, right? You're actually studying.
Yes,
I think can be an idiom. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Could be. But hit
I
the
think
sack
it's a
is definitely.
slang.
It is fine. What else? What else? What else? What else? The idiom. After a long time, I'm discussing idioms with anyone.
I
Not
haven't
so.
studied the idiom, and I think I do not use in spoken as well.
No, I think a lot of us use cup of tea. Not my cup of tea is a commonly used idiom.
Yes.
Fit as a fiddle under the weather. Under the weather thing is a little archaic, but fit as a fiddle is used. Then over the moon is used.
Yes. Over the
Mm,
cloud also, I've heard it many
over the
times.
cloud, you have.
Yeah. On cloud nine, I think it's on cloud
On
nine.
cloud is also used. Yeah. Then water under the bridge is also used. I have heard.
Water under
What
the
else?
bridge means something secret, hidden.
No, no. Water under the bridge means see the thing. I'm teasing you a regular basis, and years later, we meet. So let's say you apologize or I apologize. So we say it's okay. It's been such a long time. So many things have happened. It's been 10 years, 5 years. It is a lot of water under the bridge.
Hmm.
So whenever
Then
something has happened
then
sometime back,
spill the beans, like revealing secret.
hmm, so what is the idea?
Spill the beans.
Spill the beans. Yes,
Spill the beans.
correct, correct, correct. And
Then
similarly, uh,
take out,
skeletons in
take
the
the
closet.
cat out of the bag or something.
The cat is out of the bag. Yes,
Yeah. So it's again revealing secret.
revealing a secret. Yes. No, no, cat is out of the bag means secret has been revealed,
Hmm.
and then hidden the closet. Not hidden closet. Skeletons hidden in the closet.
Yeah, I think you only told about me, it
Uh,
about me.
I
You
don't
only
know.
told about it.
So skeletons hidden in the closet means uh, some secret or some secrets, like long secrets.
Long secret or danger secret.
Dangerous secrets. Yeah. Long lost secrets. Dangerous. Your expressions were nice. That's why I'm laughing. Dangerous secrets. Yeah. Good, good.
Cherry on the top.
Cherry on the cake.
Cherry on the top or cherry on the cake.
Cherry on the cake.
On top
I
of.
think both are
Yeah,
right.
similar.
Cherry on the top.
Both are similar. Uh,
Cherry.
I
Not
don't
it.
remember. Long ago, I had read about idioms related to food, idiom related to animals, as cunning as owl,
Fox.
owl or fox,
So these are
something.
not idioms. Huh? These are more like
Sayings,
similes.
similes. Okay,
I think.
yeah, maybe similes.
So I think the concept of idioms is you are attempting to explain a bit something like in a few words.
Yeah. One more I remember: barking dogs
Seldom bite. That's a proverb.
bite.
That's a proverb. Barking dogs seldom bite. That's a proverb. This reminded me of something. I think it's in Hindi about donkey and playing a specific instrument in front of a donkey. It's in Hindi, I think.
Mhm. भैंस के सामने बीन बजाना kind of thing.
One more idiom I think is elephant's memory. Memory. We actually have some situations given, and what would you do in a situation like this?
I had purchased a book of idioms, but when I read it uh, many years ago, I realized that it won't work that way. We should learn the idioms which we can use on daily basis. Just 1,000 or 2,000 idioms were there. So I thought that it's not a good idea. Same thing with vocabulary as well. I thought that instead of learning vocabulary, when I come across uh, new vocab during
New
reading or
words.
listening something, new words, vocab or new word, I thought that
I'm
I
going to
should.
stop you
It is
here,
better
Shani.
to learn that one.
Vocabulary and words are related, but they are not the same. Huh?
Vocab means
For
new words.
example, vocabulary are all the words which you know.
Okay,
So I can't learn vocabulary. I can improve my vocabulary.
okay. So I thought that it's a better way when I come across new words during reading or listening. Instead
So
of
both,
learning new vocab from some list of the words,
not new vocab,
learning
new words.
new words from list of the words, because I'll have to learn separately how to use it in a sentence. And if I learn from any text or I listen in any audio or video, it will be easy for me to how to use it. Means there is no need to search separate sentences or something related to those words.
I think you are right.
So I stopped learning new words this way. Instead of that, I learn new words while I'm listening something or I'm reading something. Means I
Listening
can
to
use
something.
listening to something and reading something. So I think I felt it's little bit easy,
Hmm.
a little easy.
Little bit easy is not completely correct, but can be used. So you know what? Both are fine. A lot of times people learn words and then they attempt to use it. A lot of times people know about words. So lot of times people uh, find out where a word. Let me explain the sentence correct. A lot of times people in their conversation learn a word and then they remember. So both are fine.
Okay. So in your
Both are
opinion,
fine.
what is the easy way to learn new words?
Practice. Practice is the only answer. And also because I don't know why I'm saying practice because the more you come across a word and you're reading, you're
Hmm.
listening, you will be able to use it in a situation. And words make a lot of difference because you are able to express yourself exactly
Yes.
how you want to. For example, three words, okay, they'll have the same meaning. They have the same, almost the same meaning. Pretty, beautiful, gorgeous. But if you think about it, we use it to describe beauty, yes, but it is not a degree. If a girl is good looking, we typically use pretty. If she's better looking, we use
Yes.
beautiful. But if she's amazingly good looking, like best looking, if I could say that, then we use the word gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
So how you describe, or your how you use a word that help a person understand what you want to explain, or what you want to express.
Yes.
Like, I could be disappointed with you, I could be upset, I could be angry, like that.
Yes.
I could like you, I could adore you, I could love you. But again, see the degree of which what I'm using. That
Yes.
makes a lot of difference.
Like happy, ecstasy,
Ecstatic. Ecstasy is a drug.
ecstasy and ecstatic. I think
Yeah, ecstasy is a drug.
drug.
Yes,
No, I think I read ecstasy is happiness.
ecstasy is a feeling also, it's a drug also. But in this context, to be ecstatic,
Yeah.
happy, ecstatic, then